So sure, you can work on aligning your energy or focusing on your chakras, but as long as you have all that stored emotional baggage down there, blocking the flow, you're not going to get very far. Here's what's really happening. When you feel off, like your energy is messed up, your first instinct is to fix it, right? Maybe you breathe deeply, do some yoga, go for a run, call a friend, or do anything to make yourself feel better. And don't get me wrong, those things can help in the moment. They can make you feel okay when the energy inside feels all tangled up, but that's not solving the root of the problem. The truth is, the energy itself isn't messed up at all. The energy is pure and beautiful. It's life force, chi, spirit, whatever you want to call it. The problem is that when this energy flows up inside of you, it hits all the emotional baggage you've stored over time, and that's what creates the disturbance. The energy is still good, but it's getting blocked by all the stuff inside of you. Most people think, why is my energy all messed up? What do I need to do to fix it? But that's not the real question. The real question is, why is your energy disturbed in the first place? The energy itself is fine. It's just hitting all the emotional and mental clutter you've got stored inside. It's like a stream of water that's full of leaves, rocks, and debris. No matter how much you try to clear the surface, the water won't flow smoothly until you get rid of what's clogging it up. So you have a choice. You can either keep trying to patch things up, compensate for the emotional clutter inside of you, or you can dig deeper and clear that stuff out. Because once you clear it, you'll naturally feel good, and the energy will flow freely. You're capable of feeling peace, joy, even ecstasy all the time. But it won't happen if you just keep focusing on fixing the surface level disturbances. You need to look at why you're not okay in the first place. Take loneliness, for example. You might feel lonely and think, I need to find someone to be with. That'll fix it. But that's just covering up the real issue. You're not lonely because you don't have someone. The loneliness is coming from inside, from emotional blockages, and finding someone isn't going to clear that out. Or maybe you're scared. You think the fear is coming from outside. Like you don't feel safe because there aren't bars on the windows or something. But that's not it. You're not scared because of external reasons. You're trying to compensate for the fear inside by focusing on outside things. But the real issue is internal.